Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then click on one of your chats. After that, select this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away or select Gallery section and pick them from here. When you're ready, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!